Hey guys, how y'all doing today? Today is Diabetes Awareness Day. So I went to UTMB Health, to the Ali Center, and I got some information, signed up for a couple of classes. One is so I can learn about self-care, so I can make my blood sugar level be more regulated, so my hemoglobin A1C, which is a test that they do about every 3 months to see how you're really doing with your diabetes. It's like a averaging. And I've already been doing my blood sugars fasting 2 hours after I eat, and supposedly at bedtime, but sometimes they like overlap each other, the 2-hour PP and NHS. But anyway, y'all, I'm telling y'all, I learned a lot. Found out I could take some classes to walk with other people, classes with people or online. They gave me all the stuff to get started. Y'all, DVDs, I'm so used to streaming online. It's like my DVD players don't even work anymore, but they tried, y'all. So thank goodness I'm gonna be taking classes in person. They gave me one of these little pill care things that you separate your pills for the week. A little bag, I guess, to put your little, in fact, it's a beach ball, y'all. I haven't had one of those in so long. I thought it was a little carry bag at first. But anyway, y'all, I got a book, say Toolkit for Active Living with Chronic Conditions. Making decisions, planning sleep, using your mind, etc., etc. Toolkit for Active Living. I think that's good, y'all. That's gonna help me a lot. Chronic Conditions, self-test, and tip sheet. I'm telling y'all, all of this just for filling out a survey. And online at that. A little ball, a little stress ball, you know. You can just squeeze it. I even got a CD that I could play in the car, but y'all, it's for relaxation, so I don't know how I'm gonna ever play it. My CD player in the house seemed like it stopped playing. If I can figure out how to make it play again, then I'll use it. But they tried, though. And here's this, give you a book about free evidence-based programs. And then, of course, you can scan and get more information. And then even the booklet tells you a little bit about it. So I appreciated that because I was able to go online, fill out more information. Because I think maybe I even clicked on the wrong thing when I was filling it out. At the place, I think when they had for your birthday, I might hit the today thing because they made it too simple with the today, all of that. So the lettering was so small it was hard to see. But on my phone, I could see exactly what it says instead of, there's a relapse today thing to hit. I don't like those. But anyway, see, Walking with Ease, self-paced. I'm going to start on that one tomorrow. Read it tonight. Living healthy with the chronic conditions. Look how big this book is, y'all. Whoever is sponsoring them. Look like the Arthritis Foundation for this one. And the other one, I don't even know. But somebody sponsored them a lot. So we got all this information, y'all. A whole bag of goodies. So I'm all excited. I am going to get my hemoglobin A1C down, y'all. Most High say the same. I hope y'all keep encouraging me as well. Help keep me accountable for doing the right thing with my diabetes. Because, y'all, I do not want to use some of that stuff that they want you to take. Because some of the side effects are so horrible, y'all. They'll tell you, like, really under their breath that you could, like, lose your limbs and stuff. Like, do I have to take a medicine with horrible side effects? And one of them may be that I can lose some of my extremities. Let me walk, y'all. Let me watch what I eat and the times that I eat it. You know, the sun was out and now all of a sudden a cloud covering it. But anyway, at least y'all can see me easier without the sun glaring in my face. But y'all, it's Diabetes Awareness Day. I hope if you are 50 plus, as they say, that you go and get screened as well. I'm sure somewhere in your community, at your health center, they are also doing them. Your hemoglobin A1Cs. Ask if they have a diabetic assessment program. More than likely it's free as well, wherever you live. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Oh, the sun is coming out again. I'll finish my day 12, I believe, of sitting in the sunshine. And have a wonderful and blessed day, no matter where you are. And you know, every day is a good day for me every time I wake up. So, thank you for coming to my channel. Love you all. Bye.